Dito kami sa ano, sa kasagbutan. Sa kakahuyan di ay walking. Kasi ang kung kauban gilaay na sa balay. Buringan. Hello Philippines. Hello Philippines. Hello world. Stay safe everyone. Mahirap magkasakit. Kami nakasurvive me. Sa thanks God. Thank you Lord. I'm so thankful for all your prayers. I made some video, huh? Thank you so much. Walking in the forest. It's very quiet in here. You can just hear the voice of the birds. Very nice. Medyo okay na siya. So happy. Ako rin okay na. Thank you so much. May ni siya kay diri mi sa kakahuyan para social distancing. Walay tao. Para safe siya. Diba? Am I right? Yes, of course. Thank you so much. I'm so well now. Salamat sa inyong mga ampo, mga dasal, akong bana. Still recovering, pero padung na siya ma-okay. Gilaay siya sa balay, maong ga-walking me, kanang layo sa mga tao. Oh, this is a lovely place, isn't it? Tulay. Napay tulay diri. Okay. You know, it's very nice to make some video like memories, you know. And then one day when you lay in the bed, you can watch sometimes. It's very quiet in here.
Yeah.
You can only hear the voice of the birds.
Here.
Yeah.